What's up, Airkewld Army? It's your friend Pete with Airkewld, back again with another video. Hope you enjoy it. If you do watch the film to the end and you like it, please click the like button. Consider subscribing. It all helps the channel. We appreciate it. Today, we're going to have our main man John doing a disassembly of a ball joint beam for our core policy, core returns. And we're buying cores all the time. Link pin, ball joint, even some bus stuff. Description in the description box below. A link to our website for the core returns. We're paying money for these. That means we're giving you money with Zelle, PayPal, Venmo, store credit. You want to check, whatever. We're gonna make it happen. But we're always needing cores because we're selling complete assembled beams every day, and we need your help to make it happen. So today we're going to show you how to disassemble a ball joint beam, what pieces we need, and we're going to take it from there. Let's do it. so here's all of our parts we've taken off this beam. And we got the upper and lower control arms, the spindle nuts, the thrust washers. We even got the hardened washers beneath the ball joints, the pitman arm, the steering box. All of that will, we deem it have core value. We will take it from you. We'll do the chemical strip, then we'll check it, make sure that things are straight, usable condition, and then we'll cut the check, Venmo, Zelle, PayPal, whatever, store credit, whatever works. With the PRObuilt beam, you'll get the prepaid shipping label and what we pay for the pieces. And we'll put this in a box. We want to fill it up, pack it up as nice as possible so that it doesn't break the box, and put the label on the box. And you can go to any FedEx location like a Kinko's, Walgreens, and just drop it off, and then it'll have a notification that'll send to us letting it know it's on its way. So that's what we need. Thanks for participating and watching this film, and we'll catch you on the next one. Hey guys, the 2021 promotion is still going on. You can win one of these ultimate beams by subscribing, commenting below on any Airkewld video you see. That's easy. That's all you got to do. Enter today, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.